Let's have a comparison between Linux Mint versus Ubuntu versus Fedora. Which Linux distro is good for everyday use? The first, we have Ubuntu. Ubuntu is very popular and beginner friendly. It has a very large user community and it's also easy to find help. It has lots of tutorials and documentations. It works well for everyday tasks like web browsing, media, and office work. It has tons of software in its app store and third-party support. And it's also good for beginners, general users, students, and office use. But if you want the newest software all the time, Ubuntu tends to be more conservative. Next, we have Linux Mint. It's very easy and comfortable if you're switching from Windows. Cinnamon Desktop is intuitive, fast, and reliable. Based on Ubuntu, you get all the same software and drivers. It also focuses on practical day-to-day experience and it has a lot of built-in tools which make configuration easy. It's also good for beginners, window switchers, and low-resource systems. But it's not ideal if you want the absolute latest features as soon as they are available. Next, we have Fedora. Fedora has a strong focus on open source and latest technologies. Often first distro to integrate new Linux features, and it's also sponsored by Red Hat, which is good quality and innovation. It's also good for developers, tech enthusiasts, people who like new software. But it's not ideal if you want the maximum stability or don't like frequent updates. So which one should you pick? If you want the easiest, most stress-free experience, then you have the Linux Mint. And if you want the most widely supported and balanced systems, you have Ubuntu. And then if you love the latest tech and are comfortable with updates, then you can go with Fedora. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.